What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. And in today's video, as you can tell, I'm at a car lot. I seen a it's locked. I seen a Q50 Sport. So it got like 360 horsepower, I think, something like that. It's an S model. It's like 32K. So I came to look at it because it is pretty hard. It's a V6 twin turbo. Where's the price at? 33. That's not bad at all. It's a 2019 with, I don't see the miles on it. But when I seen it, it was like 40-something thousand online. It's a 7-speed, so I don't know. You like this, bro? It is nice, and it got the sunroof. Hold on, let me fix y'all boys. All right, and it got a sunroof. But my plan is to put stars in it. So if I do go with this, I can get it faster than the S. Like I was saying, if I do go with this car, I can get it quicker than I'll get the SS. But the SS is faster. But I don't know. I can upgrade the turbos on this. So yeah. Dude, this car is hard, I ain't gonna lie. Hold on. I'm gonna give y'all a better look of it right quick. Huh? How it look like that, bro? It ain't been drove in a while. You can tell. It's just been sitting. Your car gonna look like that when it's been sitting up. But y'all see the 3.0 turbo. Y'all can't see in the inside, but yo, I don't know. Then I put a little spoiler up here. I definitely have to get new wheels. But Ayo, let's go look at this AMG down here. I don't know. Alright, so right now, I already got the Camaro ordered and stuff, but I can take the Camaro back. But I'm gonna keep my eye on that one. Hey, what if I caught this? Alright. GT 530. Let's see how much it is. 99 though? Gotta see the inside. Oh, this thing's sick. Huh? It's sick. Look at the inside of it.
Damn, that interior is hard.
I'm saying. It's gonna look like a spaceship when you turn it on. It's twin turbo though. But it's a 2021. Alright. So AMG Q50.
SS?
Oh, alright, I ain't gonna lie. We gonna scratch the AMG out the budget range because I'm not doing that. That's gonna be really dumb if I do get that. So, I don't know, bro. I don't see anything that I really like at this dealership, though. What's the hardest thing they got here?
L5, man.
I'll say the Q50 and the AMG. So, I'm gonna keep the Q50 in mind. Is someone head right there? What? No. I thought I seen somebody head. But I'm gonna keep the Q50 in mind because I do like it. And they are fast. And I really don't want a V6 though. That's the thing. I want a V8. Dude, it look good though, bro. Crap, y'all. Like, we know how they get down though. That's the thing. What are they doing, yo? So I'm gonna keep this car in mind because I actually do like it. It ain't nothing crazy or anything, but I like it, you know. It is kind of crazy though, because it got turbos on it. So I'm gonna look at this. Yeah, I'm gonna probably go look at a truck right quick because I do like this Ram I see over here. It got a little lift kit on it. Hey, a Ram though?
It is hard.
It is hard. They need to throw them away. $56 though? Hey, 56? Of course. 56 though. And it's a V8. It's a sport model. Look how tall it is. Comment down below right now if I should cop this, the Mero, or the Q50. Hey, what year is this? 21? Yo, come on.
It says 21.
It's a 21 though. But who else will have a truck like this? It already got the lift kit, tires and stuff. I ain't gonna lie, but the tires gonna be mad expensive if they do something, because look how big they are. But I don't know, I'm really digging this truck right now. Sheesh. So right now, having second thoughts. I'm gonna have to go home and sleep on this because my mom did want me to get a truck too, but you know me, I like sports cars. I like fast cars, but I always go the speed limit, that's the thing. But this truck, I don't know, it's catching my eye, if you know what I mean. Just look at it. Look how big it is compared to the other vehicles. That's how this truck's supposed to look, and that's how it looks. You know what I can do in this?
You can do a lot of shit in there.
I'm saying. Alright, so this is gonna be the end of the video. I might go to another dealership right quick because we're about like a whole lot of dealerships. But I woke up this morning and I looked up Q50s, and that was the best one I could find right there with the lowest miles and a pretty penny. So I don't know, I like that. I like this truck. So I'm gonna go home, talk to my parents, I'm gonna sleep on it, and I'm gonna see which one I'm gonna do. I don't know. I'm out, because I'm out. Right now it's going a lot of things going on, so goodbye.